Okay, here we are, Dennis RC. Sort of an event here, mini event. While certainly not done. First time we've put her all together. All the pieces are in one spot. Even downloaded something appropriate here. So we're going to go ahead and give you guys a view of the first assembly of Airwolf. Okay, and that's not really that big of a deal, but very first time we've got all the parts attached and in one place. Like I said, there's still a lot of work to go. Main blades need to be painted, finished and painted. They're full of pinholes. Painting these blades is just, the tail blades took 4 days. The mains I'm not looking forward to at all. But we're getting closer. We're getting closer. There's a little bit more work to do. Balancing, CG, etc., etc., etc. So back to work. But sort of a motivating moment, I would think. So thank you for watching. DennisRC.com.